They purify our existence. Therefore, by being a volunteer, you are practicing an aspect of dana. Volunteering is particularly important for the youth, and I'm so happy to see that so many of the volunteers are young people. Volunteering gives you a valuable life experience, as I'm sure that you have found out. It gives a different and realistic perspective on life, as a volunteer often comes across those who are less fortunate and deprived in society. It teaches the volunteer to be socially responsible and to relate to their community or to society at large in a meaningful manner. I heard some of you say that helping others is true happiness because it brings you inner happiness. It also inculcates moral integrity and inner strength and shows the joy of giving through practice. These are all important aspects in Buddhism, and they are closely linked with in my understanding, they are closely linked with the Satra Brahma Viharana, or the four divine abodes, Metta, Karuna, Mudita, Upekha. Metta, or loving kindness, is the true friendship that one exercises towards oneself as well as towards others. Kindness towards others, bodily and mental affliction, is compassion or karuna. Mudita is the happiness we feel about others' progress and well-being. And upeksha is equanimity, which is not getting upset or affected by the vicissitudes of life. I believe that volunteering over an extended period of time and helping those who are less fortunate teaches and guides us to understand the Satra Brahma Viharana. These are very powerful attributes that can benefit particularly the youth and give them a strong foundation in life. Furthermore, volunteering helps to develop your personal character, molding you into a morally upright and spiritually strong person. I hope, therefore, that all youth who are part of Metta volunteers will themselves feel the benefit of their meritorious work as much as you give benefit to thousands others. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the Pariyatti students who have received awards and all those who are following Pariyatti education. And I salute Metta volunteers and the Venerable Bodhinyana Thero for inculcating the Buddhist values in the Nepali youth and showing them the path of Buddha. So let me finally once again very warmly congratulate all the Metta volunteers and the Pariyatti students for your exceptional work, your generosity and commitment. And I also would like to congratulate and salute Mr. Gautam Maharchan and all the others involved in Metta Volunteers organization for providing this platform to recognize the volunteers' contributions to society and giving them more strength to continue their noble work. Congratulations, and may the blessings of the Triple Gem be with you all. Thank you.